Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart LED LCD TV Repairing. In today's video, I will show you how to repair the power supply of a CRT TV with a 3-wire universal supply module. Friends, this is 3-wire universal power supply module. I will show you how to install it and on the TV. Friend, first of all, subscribe my channel and like my video and share it. Friends, now come back to video. This is primary side of the CRT TV and it is very dangerous for non-professionals, so kindly keep it in mind. Which are not professionals, handle it with care, otherwise it will give you severe injury. When power transistor is burned or some other components in primary side like transistor and resistors, and it is not repairable, so we use this module. It is called universal power module of 3-wire. Today I will show you how to install it. First of all, friends, its first step is to remove the short transistor. I have removed it from here. Look at this one. There is no transistor. I have removed it. Now I will install this 3-wire module from here. First of all, I will solder the AC cord. Then friends, unbox this. It has a wiring diagram. But I will give you an easy way. Keep it aside and look at these 3 wires. Friends, ignore this blue wire. It is not usable. You have to use only red and black. Red on the collector of transistor and black on the negative of filter capacitor. Now we will solder it here. Red, this is collector of power transistor, and now black wire, negative of filter capacitor. Friends, I will show you from back side. Look at this. This is negative side, so I will solder it here. Friend, this is not used, so keep it on a side. Then friend, next step is to remove the resistor going to B plus line. Friends, I will show you. Here is B plus line. This is the resistor. I will remove one side of it and the supply will be cut off. B plus. Friends, look at this. This resistor is installed here. I have removed one side. Look at this one. Now B plus line is cut off from the EHT. Now friends, the other step is to install this 100-watt bulb in this line. And this is negative of 160-volt capacitor going to B plus line. Sorry friends. Also I will put a probe here for adjustment of volts. It's okay. The other is this positive side. This is also same, so I will put this probe here and I will check the voltage from this side. Now friends, power on the meter to 200 volts DC. Now friends, I will power on the TV. Look at this bulb I have installed at 160 volt capacitor. I will power it in series board, so there is, if any shortage, this 200-watt bulb lights up. Look at friends, the bulb has glow but is glowing very less. So its voltage I will check and then tell you what is the voltage here. Friends, the voltage at B plus line is, look at this friend, 50 volt. It is showing 50 volts, so it is very less. It should be round about 110 to 115. Friends, check the other voltages. It is 12 volt near. It is very low. This is the voltage of vertical, so it should be round about 23 to 27 volt. And this is friends 12 volt. This is 5 volt. This is less. This is also less. This is going to audio section. So friends, there is trick to increase the voltage. There is a variable here at this supply, at this module. You can see that we will increase the voltage and check it step by step and also see the light of the bulb. Friends, here turn it clockwise to increase the voltage. Friends, also look at the bulb. When voltage increases, the bulb shines. Here I will check the voltage. Friends, it's 119 volts. It's a little bit increased, so I will have to push it back. I will again check it. 103, it is less, a little bit more. Turn it clockwise. Friends, look at this. It is 111.5. So we have got the actual amount of voltage we required. Keep it aside. And now we will check all the 4 voltages of the secondary sides. And this is B plus line. It is giving 111.3 volts with load connected. The other is, look at this friends. It is giving full 27 volts, which is going to vertical IC. And this is 13.2. It is going to regulator section to main IC. Friends, this is 23.4 volt. It is going to audio section. So friends, we conclude here that this is all step-by-step detail how to install a 3-wire module in a burnt CRT power supply or a supply which cannot be repaired by its original components. So here we can install this 3-wire module in which only we used its 2 wires, red and black, and it's working. Its supply is working. Now friends, I will show you how to install it on a heatsink, because it will blow up after some time when you connect EST or load to it. I will show you how to connect it to the heatsink. Friends, I have removed the heatsink because it is very important to attach this module with heatsink with the help of this provided insulation, because if I will not use this insulation, then this will become short with the earth. So always use this here. And also there is no hole above. I have made it from the drill. The holes are very low and here it cannot be adjusted. So I have made a hole here. I will put this module here. Now see that. Now here comes the screw. This insulation is here. Tighten it with the screwdriver. Put that screw on the back side's nut. It is very small, so it is difficult to handle it. Now tight from the other side. Fully tight it. That heat can be dissipated from transistor into the heatsink. It is okay, friends. Now I will install this heatsink here into the board. Here it's 8 volts. So its one hole is closed. I will resolder it. Now it's okay. And solder it all 4 legs. Now it's time to join the wires. Now these have become short, so we have to join the wires other 2 parts to increase its length and solder it on the back side. I will join it. Also put heat sleeves between them so there is no chance of shortage. Okay, I will. Firstly, I will join this. It's okay. Now join the other one. This is negative. This goes to the main filter capacitor negative side and that goes to the power transistor collector. It's fixed. Now put the heat sleeves so that these joints cannot short with one another. Here, give some heat from here. Soldering. Friend, this module is used when you cannot repair a power supply from its original components or the components are not available. This is a very good thing in that case, and it is very easy to use as you can see in the video. I have tried my best to tell you how to install it easily step by step. This is okay, friends. Now go to the back side of the board and this red to the transistor collector. Here is friend transistor collector. Negative to the main filter capacitor negative side here. Now friends, it's all good. Now remove this extra blue wire. It has no use. Only 2 wires are used. Cut it from here. Now the board is ready, friends. Look at this. I have installed this universal 3-wire module in place of power transistor and other small burnt components. Friends, I have showed you today how to install this universal module in CRT power supply and make the TV run okay. So friends, if you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Goodbye then.